Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we are going to go over our expenses for the week. We are going to unstuff our envelopes and pay back that credit card. If this is something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stick around for the rest of this video. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, so let's just dive in. We are gonna start off in our bill binder. If you see here, we had a car registration due for $59.75 and property tax for $112.48. Those I'm just gonna take that from my husband's paycheck that's coming up, and then we're gonna unstuff the envelopes for everything else, just so y'all are aware. So we did have the mortgage come out on the 1st, and that was $1,447.24. And in here we have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420, 430, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So all of this is coming out, and I'm gonna put this to the side because again, this is prop money. This is just money that is signifying what we have in the bank for our mortgage. So that's gonna go to the side. That's everything there. So we are left with $0 there. Next up is our HOA fees. We had $492.65 come out, so I'm going to pull out $493. Now remember, we also pay our HOA every other month for our water bill, so there is a little bit extra in here. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400. Let's see. So that is 500. So I need $7 back. There is 2 and a 5. So $7 back. So we still have left in there 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. And that will be going towards July's water bill. Next up is our T-Mobile bill, and that also came out on the 1st. It was $217.20. So we have 100, 200, 210, 215, 16, 17, 18, and I'm taking all of that out. And that is going to be it for the bills that have come out. I did forget to unstuff a couple bills last time, so insurance and like Discover came out. So that was my bad. Next up, we are going to move on to subscriptions. My husband's gym membership did come out, and that is $19. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And we do have $21 left over in the gym envelope. That is correct. And I think that is it for subscriptions. So now we are going to move on to our cash envelope binder. And let me just organize this to the side real quick. All right, I did not spend anything out of my personal money, neither did my husband. Groceries, we went to BJ's this week and we spent $115.09. And then we also went to Trader Joe's and spent $161.63. So we should have $72 left over after unstuffing everything. So we spent 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. So we spent $277 on groceries this past week, and that was because I had been sick and hadn't been able to do grocery shopping in a couple weeks. But I'm excited we still have this 72 to roll over to the next week. And let me just mark that over here. Next up is gas. I'm the only one that filled up my tank, and I just had to top it off, and that was $28. So 20, 5, 6, 7, 8. And left over in gas, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Pet care. Did we spend anything? Nope. We did not go and get anything for the pets this past week, but I know this that we are going to have to get them some more stuff here soon. Dining. So we didn't really go out this week. I picked up some tropical smoothie one day after work, and that was $23.26. And then we did have a run at a local restaurant, and we got a couple drinks after that, so that was $8.68. So we have $18 that is left over in our dining envelope. So we only spent 20, 30, 31, 32. I'm getting better at not going over in dining. We are keeping ourselves accountable, and that's all you can ask for, right? Nothing out of fun. Miscellaneous, we did pay to park at the beach a couple times. It was $4 one day, $3 the next. So that's $7 total that's coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means we have $5, 6, 7, 8, $9 left in miscellaneous. All right, that's it for cash envelopes, and we did spend a couple things out of our sinking funds this week. Like I said, we went to a running event, and we ended up purchasing a couple shirts. It went towards a good cause. That was $50, so we're taking 50 out of running, and we are left with 21. Where did that go? Aha. Yep, 21. And then my husband did have to purchase a part for my vehicle, so that is coming out of car maintenance, and that was $60.76. So we're just gonna go ahead and take out 70. And I'm gonna have to break this 100, so we need $30 back. Oh wait, no. We're not taking out 70, we're taking out 61. So, oops, let's see. I am gonna go by what my math says here, and I should have 105 left. So we'll keep that 100. Sorry, y'all, that is what happens when I try and go fast and I'm not paying attention. So we have 105 left over in car maintenance. All right, and that is everything that we spent for this week. Now, I did go ahead and add everything up. This is the total, not including any of our bills, because that stuff is coming out of our bill checking account. But we spent a total of $473.43 that went on the credit card. So let's count up this money and make sure that we didn't mess up anywhere. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. So 360, 370, 380, 390, 400, 10, 20, 420, 425, 430, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Perfect. We've got $474 to go back to the bank to go ahead and pay off that credit card. All right, y'all, that's it for today. I should have my server income video out tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And then we'll go into our cash stuffing as always. The next couple weeks might be a little bit different. I haven't quite figured out my schedule yet, but I am going to be off from Friday to Thursday. So I should still have money for cash stuffings, but I'm not 100% sure if I will have enough money to do everything, as I'm taking a week off of work. But we'll see, and we'll get into that as I figure out what the plan is for June. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.